Some luxury cars lose their shine with time, but these, they were built to last forever. Strong, smooth, and trusted. The kind of cars that don't need a warranty. If you love reliability and real craftsmanship, make sure to subscribe. We've got more timeless luxury ahead. Lexus LS430. Some call it the most reliable luxury car ever made. The 2003 Lexus LS430 wasn't built to impress. It was built to last. Its 4.3-liter V8 runs smoother today than most new engines. Quiet, effortless, and nearly impossible to kill. Owners have driven these cars past 400,000 miles without a single major repair, because every bolt, every panel, was engineered with obsession, not speed. Inside, it's pure calm. Real wood trim, soft leather, and that perfect silence Lexus became famous for. 2 decades later, it still glides like new. A reminder that true luxury isn't about price tags. It's about perfection that stands the test of time. The LS430, a masterpiece built so well, you'll never need a warranty. 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350. Some cars promise luxury. The 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 delivers it, quietly, confidently, and endlessly. Under the hood, its 3.5-liter V6 is a legend. Smooth, durable, and proven to last for hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. It's from that era when Mercedes still built cars to feel heavy, solid, and safe. Every door closes with that unmistakable thunk, the sound of real engineering. Even after 15 years, the E350 still glides down the road with grace and strength, reminding you what timeless German craftsmanship feels like. It doesn't just last long, it ages beautifully. The E350, luxury you can trust and a car that will never need a warranty. 2014 Acura RLX, quiet, confident, and built with precision. The 2014 Acura RLX is proof that reliability can still feel luxurious. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine is smooth and refined, running effortlessly past 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic care. No drama, no breakdowns, just quiet consistency. Inside, it's calm and spacious, with that signature Acura comfort, soft leather, gentle lighting, and technology that simply works. It may not shout for attention, but the RLX earns respect through time, a true gentleman's car that keeps its promise. The 2014 Acura RLX, quiet luxury, timeless reliability, and a car that proves you'll never need a warranty. 2015 Lexus RX 350. Some cars are made for speed. The 2015 Lexus RX 350 was made for peace. From the moment you start it, everything about the RX feels calm, confident, and perfectly balanced. It doesn't rush, it doesn't shout. It simply glides, effortlessly, quietly, gracefully. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine, the same power plant that built Lexus's reputation for reliability. Smooth, proven, and built to handle hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. This is the kind of engine that asks for nothing and gives you everything: power, silence, and peace of mind. But the RX isn't just about what's under the hood. Step inside, and you feel the difference immediately. The cabin wraps around you with soft leather, real wood trim, and silence so pure it feels like therapy. It's that signature Lexus refinement, where every stitch, every switch was placed with intention. Even after years of use, the RX 350 still feels new. No rattles, no fading materials, just that same solid quality that made it a bestseller among families, professionals, and retirees alike. What made the RX 350 special wasn't just its reliability, it was how it aged. Unlike most luxury SUVs that demand constant attention, this one simply asks you to drive. It doesn't complain, it doesn't quit, and it doesn't lose its class. And maybe that's why the 2015 RX 350 is still one of the most trusted luxury SUVs on the planet. Because when Lexus built it, they weren't chasing trends or headlines, they were building something to last. To this day, owners say the same thing. It just runs. No warranty needed, no drama, just pure, lasting quality. The 2015 Lexus RX 350, proof that real luxury isn't loud, it's everlasting.